हे व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू राज का गराज। ये जो वीडियो बना रहा हूँ मैं, सो आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग कि हाइनेस में रस्टिंग का कितना इश्यूज़ आ रहा है। आई हैव बीन हियरिंग अबाउट, इवन सॉ सम फोटोग्राफ्स एंड मेरी गाड़ी का तो लिटरली अभी रिग्रेशन टेस्टिंग हो गया इन टर्म्स ऑफ द रेंज। Mumbai has been flooding. You must have seen a lot of videos, photographs, and it was on red alert. It is still on red alert till tomorrow, I guess, because of heavy rains. And मैंने Monday को when I came back from Pune, I had parked the bike open without any cover. मैंने cover लिया है, but I had not put the cover somewhere because I wanted to deliberately see कि होता क्या, how highness would react to rains. Because other vehicles, when we bought the Java, the moisture, even moisture was quite evident that the corrosion was showing on the bike. So let's see what is that high is happening with the highness. Thankfully there are the rims and all are not your spoke wheels. These are your mag wheels, so those things are saved. But let's see the other areas, what are all the chrome plated parts. And we'll start with the rear mudguard. I don't see evidence of any corrosion layer. It won't be direct rust as such, but it will be corrosion. Let's check it on the brake disc. Brake disc is also, I don't see any corrosion as such. This is dirt. This is dirt. You can see. And shock absorbers. This plate has been, this particular plate has been rusting. I don't see any rust here. Silencer and all the fasteners, nothing. The joint area especially. Okay, there is in the joint, if you can see, there is minor, I'll say kind of corrosion layer. This is, I'll say it is not rust. If I wipe it off, it's going off. Okay, let's see the handlebar. Handlebar is stainless steel. I don't see rust will impact the handlebar. Even the fork nuts, the top nuts, bolts rather. This is a aftermarket part. I don't blame it if it rusts. It has already. Same on the other side as well. Front mudguard, I don't see anything wrong with the mudguard. I can visibly see that. This is plastic, so उसके ऊपर तो chrome plating है. This won't rust. Of course, the inside of the bolt has, there is some corrosion, but I'll say this is normal. These bolts are okay. These bolts would not start rusting in 1 or I'll say 5 days of rain. Though it has been raining, like it's been it rained for a month or so. ये यहाँ पे it's a paint, it's not rust. चेसी नंबर का बहुत लोगों ने बोला, चेसी नंबर पे रस्ट वगैरह है. I don't see that. And believe me, the only thing that has been done to my bike is graphene coating. So I'm sure the water does not stand on the bike for long. But only that, even that's on the painted parts, on the body panels, the tank panels, etc. It's not on the other parts that I'm showing right now. Okay, chain पे थोड़ा सा है, but that is natural. I'll say this will happen if the bike is not running. But nevertheless, because of the not WD-40, the Motul C2 that I use, the chain is quite I'll say oily and moist. It would not, water would not stand on the chain for long. So overall I see, thankfully, that rusting ऐसा कोई मेजर नहीं है. All the other bikes have been exposed. ये यहाँ पे it was right from day one. ये जो अंदर दिख रहा है, this was there from day one, and it is because वहाँ पे पेंट ठीक से लगा नहीं है. That's an accessory part. I'm not worried about it. यहाँ पे होगा because this is a machine cut thing. This will happen, and because of this wire, it's happening. So I'll just put some WD-40 and try to remove it. Otherwise, I don't see any rusting. Please don't think I am being biased. I'm showing what is there in the bike. Like I said, my bike was parked in heavy rains. We have seen rains of a month's time in the last 5 days. It's been raining very badly for almost 5, 6, 7 hours a day and night as well. And thankfully, I don't see any major rust as such. Silencer ke andar, no, that is not rust. So shock absorbers and all, where people have been complaining, मुझे वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा. Okay, so this is what the status is. And still, if you people feel, some people are finding rust on the bike, just take care that you are not washing the bike with hard water, with boring water. And for rainy season you can use anti-rust oil, जो किसी भी spare part shop में आपको मिलेगा. 20 rupees, 30 rupees की bottle होती है. The same oil that we used to use on bicycles when we were kids. Bicycle को use करते थे for prevent rust during rainy season. You can apply that on all the parts, all the fasteners as well if you want. Maybe शायद इसको करूँगा, but I don't think that is required right now. So let's look at some other joints as well. No, I don't see anything here. And my mud flap, it's still there. I almost did some 300 kilometers to and from Mumbai, Pune, 350 kilometers rather. I found some rain in Navi Mumbai while I was returning, heavy rains and water logging as well. उसमें से मैंने गाड़ी निकाला. Obviously the tire splash is still almost till the rear seat or the fender, but that will happen. That is bound to happen. So that's it. I mean, I do not see any rust. I hope it stays this way. 5 days of rain, and generally you would see rust on any metal part exposed to moisture as well. Thankfully यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. So that's it. I wanted to just check this. Thank you for watching and happy riding.